Welcome to our Paso Spotlight series, where we speak with individuals who are making an impact in our community. Today, we will be speaking with Kevin Garcia, an attorney and founder of Tu Voz Trial Attorneys, a law firm right here in El Paso. Kevin, the name of your firm, Tu Voz, it really stands out. Can you tell me what it means and why you chose it?
The law only exists because of people. It's there to protect them and to resolve the disputes, and also to ensure that justice isn't just for the powerful, but for everyone. But too often, I've seen the legal system forget that. People get reduced to case numbers, to files, and problems to be processed. And somewhere along the way, the legal system forgets that it's dealing with humans, individuals with families, stories, and dignities that deserve to be respected. That's why I started Tu Voz. It means your voice. My work is to bring everything back where it belongs. On you, your story, your voice. And whether you've been in a car accident or accused of a crime, justice isn't going to exist in the abstract. It's going to exist when your voice is heard.
So is that why you didn't want the law firm just to have your name on the door?
Exactly. This isn't about me. It's about the client. It's about making sure their voice is heard.
That's an interesting way to put it. So where does this perspective come from for you?
It comes from living here in El Paso. This is my home. The people of El Paso are immigrants and hardworking families that face struggles that are unique. A lot of us come from families who work long hours to give their kids a better future. We know what it's like to sacrifice, to make do when times are tough, and to lean on each other when we have to. But those struggles give us something special too. A sense of understanding that you don't find anywhere else. There's this unspoken connection between the people of El Paso because many of us share the same story.
It sounds like you really see yourself in the community here.
Absolutely. I grew up here. You could probably even bump into me at the grocery store. I'm there multiple times a week.
Really?
Yeah, I love picking out fresh produce.
So if we see someone checking all the avocados, it's probably you.
Exactly. But that's the point. The people in the jury box aren't strangers to me. They're part of the same community that raised me. So when I'm standing up for a client, I'm not speaking to strangers. I'm speaking to my neighbors. And that shifts how I practice law every single day.
It's one thing to represent someone who's been injured, but it's a very difficult challenge to represent someone who's been accused of a very serious crime. So how do you take on those cases?
When someone's accused of a crime, of course their liberty's at stake, their freedom and their future. But there's something bigger at trial, something people don't always notice. It's a test of the justice system itself. We say we believe in fairness and justice. But the real question is, do we believe in it when the case is tough and when the person accused of a crime isn't easy to stand with? Every criminal trial is a mirror. It asks, do we mean what we say? Do we truly believe in justice and fairness? Or do we only believe in it until it becomes uncomfortable?
So for you, it's bigger than just one case.
Exactly. It's not about excusing bad behavior. It's about making sure the state proves its case the way the law demands, and that every right is respected. Because if the system could cut corners on one person, it could cut corners on any of us. And that's why if you've been in an accident or accused of a crime, my approach is the same. I fight to make sure their voice is heard, their rights are protected, and that justice is done the right way. Your voice, our fight.
Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in, and keep a lookout in those grocery stores because you never know, you might just run into Kevin.